Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Samsung Bixby preferences, detailed guide step by step clearly. To reset your Samsung Bixby preferences, start by unlocking your device. Locate and open the Bixby app on your Samsung smartphone. If you don't see the app, swipe right on your home screen to access Bixby Home. In the Bixby app, tap on the More Options icon, represented by three vertical dots in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Scroll down until you find the Bixby Routines option. Tap on Bixby Routines to access the routine settings. In the Routines settings, you will see a list of your current routines. Now, tap on Menu represented by three vertical dots in the top right corner again. Select Reset from the drop-down options. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to reset. Confirm by selecting Reset to proceed. Next, head back to the main settings menu of the Bixby app. Locate the Voice Wake Up option and tap on it. Once in the Voice Wake Up section, toggle off the option. After disabling, you can choose to re-enable it by following the setup prompts. Return to the Bixby settings menu and look for App Settings. Inside the App Settings, find and tap Reset App Preferences. Once completed, your Bixby preferences will be reset to factory settings. Your Bixby app will now perform as if it were new, ready for personalized setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.